In today's video, I'm gonna do a home refresh, Joel's gonna do a home project, I'm gonna decorate, make cute sweets, and visit some stores.
To get out of bed, you put your heart.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock tick.
After I cleaned up the dishes, I am going to scrub some of the areas in the kitchen.
Spent my coin for show. I'm gonna
It's been about, I would say, 13 years I haven't purchased any store-bought cleaners. They are all homemade, and I'm very happy with the results. I can scrub everything with baking powder, citric acid. I have some soap that is a very strong concentrated one also, and then also I have all sorts of brushes. But overall these methods work really great, and I'm going to show you how I use them.
beautiful stars. I wanna dive faster, far. Nothing can break me. Nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive.
I keep the ghee in a jar, and when I have to clean this out, it can be very messy, so I like to just add a little bit of a dish soap, a little bit of a water, and I add lots of baking soda, and I'm just shaking it, and that will do the main part of the job. Porcelain sink is very sensitive to scrubbing and chemicals, so I'm trying to be careful as much as possible when I'm cleaning it, but sometimes it needs a more deeper cleaning, and that's why I like this combo: the citric acid, the baking soda, and the soap, and a little bit of water. It will provide plenty of bubbles to clean this out beautifully. Using corn starch in the gloves help on the long run. It's easier to put it on, and they will last longer. To save some time and effort in the future, I'm going to cover this tray . Don't forget to sign up for the newsletter. I will have the link down below in the description box. The next area that I'm going to freshen up is going to be the kids' bed. I got a cover at IKEA that will protect the mattress. And also I'm going to sprinkle some lavender on it and rub it in. And the reason I don't put the baking soda on it, because I have a cordless vacuum cleaner, and those are very sensitive to a very fine dust, so it can ruin the motor if you use it to clean the baking soda out of the mattress. After I refreshed the mattresses with the lavender, I'm going to put on the mattress cover, which is from IKEA. That was the cheapest. I think it was $3.99 or somewhere in there. And so they were very affordable. Now the second layer. So I got one for ourselves in the master bedroom and we loved it so much. So now I invested in one for the kids as well. It's a pillow top one. It's super soft, but our skin can breathe easier as well. I tried many pillow top covers, but they always had this kind of plasticky underlining and I didn't like that one, and this one doesn't have that. It's a very nice breathable fabric. Yeah, the Scandish Home restaurant or cafeteria is closed for a little bit because George just spread out all the things that he needs to build another computer for me, ordering the parts and waiting for them to arrive, then find out that doesn't work. So it takes a while. It's a process.
Try to straighten up my bones and be a man. I gotta tear this wall apart to let you in. My friends say that
I will quickly fold this cloth while I wait for the sheet to dry.
move 'cause the store won't stay open till the end. Won't you tear my world apart? 'Cause I know I need a start to let you in. When it's over, I will see what I've done. Let it go too soon. Oh, I'd be stronger if you just.
There's nothing like a fresh sheet. After freshening up all the mattresses and opening all the windows, we don't do anything special for Valentine's Day. We don't really celebrate, but I like to bring in all the pink and heart aspect to it. And then one of the way I was able to reduce the decor in our celebrations, even if it's Christmas or Easter, you name it, is that I'm focusing on the food. So I can create this environment where we celebrate and we enjoy the occasion, but as I'm dressing up the table with all colorful food, that kind of can give us the feeling of whatever we want to celebrate. So now I'm preparing some very simple one. I'm just adding some cocoa butter to it. That will be the glue, and I have some cherry powder, and then for sweetener I used some maple syrup, and almond flour is the main ingredient in there. But first I'm going to put it in the refrigerator so it will harden up a little. For these balls, I used orange flavor, and for coloring, I used annatto. For the green color, I used spirulina. Here comes the fun part. I feel like a kid again. As I'm making these shapes, I feel like I'm playing with a Play-Doh. But these are so pretty and colorful. I wanna create small itty bitty cute sweets. Joat is going to fresh up the entryway with a new design. It took us a while to decide to do something with this wall or not, but we ended up doing it, and I really love that we added some texture and interest to that small space that would have been hard to decorate.
Is our love strong, just like a love song? Baby, it's haunting me. Don't know what you're thinking. It's like I'm sinking deep underwater. Maybe it's harder, harder, harder for me. Oh, harder for me. Maybe we're over it, or maybe just lovers, 'cause under the covers, baby.
Since it's winter here, there's not much of a greenery that I can cut from our property, so I grabbed these eucalyptus branches from Home Depot. Yes, you heard that right. I was surprised to see them at Home Depot, but they do sell some dried flowers and some cut flowers, and the price was very reasonable. I bought these for $5 or $6, somewhere in between.
Count to 10, then open up my eyes.
I use them to decorate the bedroom, but I'm going to steal a couple of stems that I can just hang in the entryway.
Off with the words of a lullaby.
In my last video, I shared with you that I repurposed a recycling item where I cut out some red hearts. I'm going to repurpose them as for a decor. That is very simple, but it will be a cute addition for this room. I need to go to the city to visit some of the stores.
Be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal.
for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there.
Finally, we are back at home and Jot is going to work on the computer, and meanwhile I'm going to share with you what I bought at the stores. These are some of my favorite stores that I visited, and I can buy things in there that we really love, but we don't buy it too often. And one of them is the Longan. This is our favorite. And also I bought some honey with comb. I also bought some fun shapes for vegetable cutting, and these are better than the cookie cutters. They are stronger and it's just easier to use for the vegetables that are harder than a dough. I got some mushroom and some rice, triangle thingamajiggies. I don't know what's it called, but it's my younger son favorite, so I bought this for him. Some chestnuts. And then Jot really loves everything that has to do with chestnuts, so we bought this cookie for him. We like to visit international stores for all sorts of pickles, and that is one of them that I haven't tried, and that is a pickled watermelon. And this is my favorite when the pepper is stuffed with cabbage, and Jot picked that one. That's another classic that I really like. Interesting. Oh! I just walked into the car. Oh! Oop, no. What am I doing? Thank you so much for watching until the end. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!